Today, we're looking at how showing off your store at its best on social media can drive footfall. This post is designed to drive local people in Burford to pop down during the week if they're looking for a quiet place to relax and enjoy a good book here at the Burford Garden Company. They use social media to create ambience so that people will want to spend longer in the store. This image for anyone scrolling is for anyone scrolling, I guess, but particularly for those searching hashtags like hashtag bookshop, hashtag antiques, or looking specifically for the Burford Garden. So it makes sure that the hashtags have made them discoverable to new people. But it also means that if you're looking for antiques, you're looking for other things that aren't book related. It also showcases that they've got that as well. But it's all about having a nice, comfortable, quiet place where you can sink into a big chair and escape the world into a book. Now, any business can emulate this by staging their shop or their products in a certain way and at a certain angle to ensure they show the particular light or just the kind of overall ambience or feeling. So by staging the business, books like this, and kind of it really just shows off, like, not only the books, but it just shows off the wider business as well, and it shows what they've got to offer. And any business can do that. It is literally just a case of being a bit clever with your staging. Now, if I was this bookshop, I would want to understand at a glance how my various social media accounts were performing. So what I would do is I would go to Insights, I would go to Summary, and then I would click on my business here. And then what this does is it gives me, I can download a full report here, but it tells me the total number of followers that I've got across Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. It tells me how many posts that I've been doing. It tells me how much engagement I've had. It tells me the average number of posts per day. It tells me the average number of engagement that I get, the average number of engagement that you get in a day. And then it also gives me the best post on Instagram. And then I can even view my content calendar from here. So the best post, this one happens to be for Instagram, but it could be Facebook or it could be Twitter. And then you can view your content calendar here. So you can just at a glance see just how everything's performing, so that if you've maybe got a report to do, or you need to, to show anyone, then it means that you've got it all easy in one place. Now, if you've got any questions whatsoever, click on the little blue button. We love to help.